All right, it's been heavily requested. A lot of people want to learn more about what I do for a living, just pretty much everything I do to make money as an entrepreneur, as a digital entrepreneur through affiliate marketing, running my own business, whatever it may be. So I decided to have my second channel shown to you guys. So I'll leave a link down below. I do giveaways, so just for being subscribed, just for liking and commenting on my videos, I do pick random people and give away money. And if you follow this channel, follow me on Facebook, you do know that I just send it straight to your PayPal. I'm like, hey, great, you won because you're subscribed. Hey, you won because you commented on my posts, and people get so caught off guard by it. So check out the channel. Okay, I am doing a $20 giveaway. So I believe on Monday or Tuesday I'm going to pick a winner, and I'm going to announce it live on my YouTube page. So pretty much, again, this YouTube channel is dedicated towards just everything I do as an entrepreneur and how I make money. So if you want to check it out down below, okay? What are you waiting for? No, seriously, what are you waiting for? Go check it out. You're still here? Go check it out. The link is down below. My goodness. You're still here? Check it out down below, okay? The link is right there. It doesn't take long. You just... If you're watching from your phone, what you do is you scroll down. Okay, so when you scroll down, you click the link and the second channel is going to pop up, and then you click the subscribe button, and then you click the like button, and then you watch the videos, and then you know how it works. If you stayed this long to the end, congratulations. You just watched me do nothing this entire time. So anyways, go check out the channel, all right?